It gives me great pride to welcome you all to this special gathering this afternoon. Today, we are not only recognizing personal success, we are celebrating an achievement that strengthens the Nigerian police force and adds value to our country. The Nigerian police force is not just an enforcement institution, it's the frontline defender of law and order in this country. We cannot carry out that duty effectively without officers who understand the law in its depth and can apply it with clarity. Your success, therefore, is not for yourself alone. It's an asset for the force and for Nigeria. Let me congratulate you on your successful completion of the Nigerian Law School program and your call to bar. I have also been informed that one of you graduated with first-class honors, a rare and outstanding feat. You have made the Nigerian police force proud, and for that, I thank you. Policing is about enforcing the law, and no force can do this effectively without sound legal knowledge. The police requires officers who are not only courageous in the field, but also competent in the courtroom and clear in their interpretation of justice. Every action we take must be grounded in the law. Every power we exercise must be backed by the law. And every responsibility we bear must be judged by the law. This is why your achievement matters. Your return to this institution, not just as police officers, but as custodians of legal knowledge. That knowledge must not be idle. It must be put to work to strengthen the force and to serve the people of Nigeria. Your success comes at a defining moment. The legal section of the Nigerian Police Force has recently been upgraded in status and has now become the Force Directorate of Legal Services under the command of an Assistant Inspector General of Police. This elevation is not symbolic, it is strategic. The Directorate must now deliver sharper legal direction, ensure that our prosecutions are watertight, protect the force against legal vulnerabilities, and shape policy at the highest levels. You are entering at this turning point, and the responsibility to make the Directorate excel rests heavily on your shoulders. The Nigerian Police Force does not need lawyers in uniform for decoration. We need officers who add value. We need lawyers in uniform who will defend this institution with skill, with courage, and with integrity. As young officers, I charge you to strengthen prosecutions, ensure that our cases are tight, professional, and beyond compromise. Uphold integrity. Let your conduct be above reproach. Compromise and corruption must never stain the Directorate. Advise with authority. Your legal opinion must be clear, practical, and reliable. Commanders must trust it without hesitation. Help align the force with constitutional standards, human rights obligations, and international best practices. Inspire others. Be role models to officers coming behind you. Prove that police officers can wear the uniform and the lawyer's gown with distinction. Your call to the bar has doubled your responsibility. You are now accountable to the force, to the legal profession, and to the Nigerian people. You cannot afford to fail in any of these. And remember this: the uniform you wear is not ordinary. Combined with the authority of the lawyer's gown, it places you in a unique and demanding position. You must carry yourselves with humility, discipline, and loyalty to the force. Do not misuse your legal knowledge for personal advantage. Channel it into service. Let your competence strengthen this Directorate. Let your integrity inspire this institution. Excellence will be recognized and rewarded. Mediocrity, however, will not be tolerated. Gentlemen officers, I congratulate you once again for the successful completion of your law school program and your call to the Nigerian bar. You have brought pride to this force, but pride is not enough. This institution has invested in you. Now you must justify that investment. Step into the Directorate of Legal Services with confidence, but also with duty. The nation is watching. The force is depending on you. Your work will determine not just your future, but also the standing of the Nigerian police as a professional institution of law enforcement. Make no mistake, this achievement is not about the gown you will wear in court. It's about the standard you will set in this uniform. The police, at this time, more than ever before, needs officers who will make the law work for justice, for discipline, and for Nigeria. Once again, I congratulate you all. May God guide you in this new phase of duty.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.